Look how colorful that is. This is a salad recipe. Finger food. This is healthy. A lot of salad. And the food is not processed, so that's I got the shoulder butt roast. It's 2 pounds. I'm gonna wash this and cut into small pieces. For the 2 pounds, I will put a 1/4 cup of the shallots, 3 cloves of garlic, 1/4 cup of lemongrass. You can buy frozen or fresh, but you have to spend time mince it into this size. And fish sauce, you use 2 tablespoons, sugar 2 tablespoons, honey is 1 tablespoon, sesame oil is 2 tablespoons. After you wash the meat, let it sit and drain the water. We're gonna prepare the sauce so it can dissolve all the sugar. First, I put 2 tablespoons fish sauce, 2 muỗng canh nước mắm, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 muỗng canh đường, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 muỗng canh mật ong, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil or regular oil, 2 muỗng canh dầu mè hay là 2 muỗng canh dầu thường. This helps the meat not getting dry when you grill them. Cái này giúp cho thịt đừng cho khô khi mình nướng. Combine everything. We're gonna use this big bowl because we're gonna put the meat in and we cut it. Mình dùng cái thao bự này bỏ hỗn hợp vô. Tại vì một chút mình cũng dùng thao này để ướp thịt. We're gonna combine all the ingredients. One teaspoon of salt, 1 muỗng cà phê muối. Mix it and give your own taste. If you feel that you need more salt, you can put more. Vậy rồi mình nếm thử. Vậy nó tan, để qua một bên nếm thử trước khi mình ướp với thịt. So after you mix it thoroughly, you leave in the fridge overnight, or you can leave it soak for 1 hour. Normally I leave it overnight to have better flavors. Sau khi ướp xong, bạn muốn bỏ tủ lạnh qua đêm hay là đợi 1 tiếng? Mình thì thích ướp qua đêm thì nó thấm ngon hơn. Earlier the sauce looked thick, right? But now it's all evenly spread. Anh thấy rất đặc, nhưng mà bây giờ nó ra nước rất là đều. I put in a stick, and also I'm gonna use a metal wire to hold the meat together. I use the metal so I make sure it doesn't, the meat doesn't fall out. Make sure it stays secure in here. and has its kind of halfway cooked, and I may take it out, some of these. All right, let's take it outside. As you can see, it's kind of cold out here right now, so I put on my jacket. Loose it up and check. Open it all up. Okay, here is our meat. We're gonna set onto a plate. Here I got Bánh Hỏi. Bánh Hỏi, this is the best brand I like, is the Tofuko brand. Hiệu Ba Cây Tre, so the bamboo is the best one. So when the water is rolling boil like this, turn off, okay? Wait, over here I have oil, like about quarter cup of oil. I use this to, we're gonna put over the noodles so it does not dry out all over the meat. You can do both. And this is how much onions I use. So now we'll turn off, we keep this down on low, okay? This one I turned off already. And so we're gonna dump all this in at once, and we time for 1 minute and 15 seconds according to the instructions. Okay, so time 1 minute 15. Okay, so you just soak in this hot water, not boiling anymore. It was boiling, right? Make sure right now it's submerged into the water. Okay. Also, you want to prepare cold water right here. When it's done, the time, scoop it, put in the cold water. Dump this out very quick so I can put it in here, okay? Okay, so this now is done dumping out the water. Still a little bit hot. I'm gonna put in here to start the cooking process. Okay, so we're not gonna soak here for too long. Okay, we don't want to get soggy. We're gonna lay them out so the water is dried or drained. You have to do it quick, otherwise it will get mushy. So you just go layer by layers, one by one like that. All right, we'll leave here 15 minutes and come back later. So we're gonna deal with the onions now. When it's boiled and super hot, turn off the heat and then drop the onions right away. Off. And drop that in. And I decided to add a little bit of oil just to make it shiny. When you make this at home, you can control however much oil you want to use, right? At the restaurant, they put a lot heavy. There you go. How yummy. You can. So here, that's them together, and we're gonna serve it with lettuce and mince. Okay, lettuce and mince. And we're gonna mix the sauce right now. I will show you how. Okay, for the dipping sauce, I use 4 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon of hot or warm water, fish sauce, any brand you like, 3 tablespoons, for the vinegar, 2 tablespoons, any brand you like, or you can substitute lime juice if you want. 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons, depending on your taste. I like this because they already have the garlics and everything pre-mixed in there. This is a salad recipe. I'm gonna use my finger now. Finger food. This is healthy. A lot of salad. And the food is not processed, so that's somewhat healthy. One more. My sauce almost done. That's it, everybody. I'm continue eating. Please try to make this today. You won't regret it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys here again next time. Bye.